sad person there. Is he okay?
What's up, Yoli? You're all joke. You right? What the did not even look. 11 o'clock. You're going on YouTube.
Now, oh Larry.
Crazy twat. Don't f***ing brakes at me. You pull out on me and slowing me down.
Have revealed detectives classed her as vulnerable and high risk when her partner reported her missing. The National Education Union says further strikes by teachers.
Somebody who's say 5 but they have the mental capacity of a 2-year-old.
Whoa, easy folks.
Globally delayed.
Is that happening to you throughout the whole Fringe?
Yeah, and I did previews, and I try out a lot of the stand-up bits in clubs because I feel like because people have only got 20
Idiots!
to you and they won't listen.
Jesus!
The weird thing about the amount of time.
Unbelievable. What the f is that? That's a funny looking merging turn, darling.
And
Exactly. That's what they tell us to do. Right, top of the what? We try and find what your favourite something is.
Great
Today,
lane
what we do,
discipline,
Dee.
mate. Well,
inspired by...
Slow off a bit. You can just go straight.
Oh, what's happened? Oh, look. Oh, bloody hell. Cute. It's caused. Oh, funny. Got the indicator on, eh?
Silence of the night, which is created by hundreds of small furry things treading very carefully in the hope of finding dinner.
The drivers, actually, for the drivers.
It's like at the Natural History Museum doing necromancy on dinosaurs. Oh, somebody wrote this short story. Yeah,
The
see,
crap, it's a red light!
but you only get 5. This is just night at the museum, guys.
Still red. You scruffy bastards. Was in fun.
Did they just throw that can
They just
out?
thrown half a can of Red Bull out.
People at DGC, we began the process of booking a recording session. At the time, Bush was working on an album with a young band from Chicago by the name of Smashing Pumpkins.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto A4074.